The human body is a complex system designed to maintain balance and rid itself of waste. However, environmental factors, lifestyle habits, and individual health conditions can disrupt these natural processes, leading to an accumulation of toxins and overall imbalance. Alteratives, a group of herbs with unique properties, are celebrated for their ability to support the body's innate systems for cleansing and restoring harmony. By enhancing the elimination of waste and improving metabolic function, alteratives play a vital role in holistic health practices. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not designed to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. The role of alteratives in the body. Alteratives act by stimulating and supporting the body's pathways for detoxification. These pathways include the digestive system, urinary system, respiratory system, and skin. Each of these systems serves as a channel for waste elimination. For example, the skin excretes toxins through sweat, while the kidneys filter waste from the bloodstream for excretion through urine. A critical organ in the detoxification process is the liver, which processes a wide range of substances, breaking them down into forms that can be easily eliminated. Alteratives work synergistically with these systems to ensure the efficient removal of waste while also promoting the proper assimilation and utilization of nutrients. Addressing imbalances. One of the primary reasons alteratives are used is their ability to address states of stagnation in the body. Stagnation occurs when fluids and waste products accumulate, potentially leading to discomfort and chronic conditions. Examples of stagnation in the body include conditions like chronic constipation, fluid retention, sluggish digestion, swollen lymph nodes, or persistent skin issues such as acne and eczema. Alteratives gently encourage the body to move these stagnant substances through the proper channels, reducing congestion and improving overall vitality. Energetic properties of alteratives. In herbalism, understanding the energetic qualities of remedies is crucial. Many alteratives are considered cooling and drying, making them particularly useful for conditions involving inflammation or excess moisture. However, not all alteratives share these traits, and choosing the right herb requires careful assessment of the individual's constitution and specific health needs. For instance, someone experiencing heat and inflammation may benefit from a cooling alterative like burdock root, while a person with dry and depleted tissues may require a more balancing or moistening herb. This tailored approach ensures that the chosen remedy complements the individual's unique physiological state. Categories of alteratives. Alteratives can be grouped based on their primary area of action within the body. This categorization allows practitioners to select herbs that target specific systems or conditions effectively. Herbs for the urinary system. These herbs promote the excretion of waste through increased urine production. Examples include dandelion leaf and parsley, which help reduce water retention and support kidney function. Herbs for the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is essential for immune function and waste filtration. Herbs like red clover and cleavers support lymphatic flow and help clear blockages. Herbs for the liver and digestion. Some alteratives enhance liver function and bile production, which are crucial for digestion and the breakdown of fats. Milk thistle and yellow dock are popular choices for liver support. Herbs for the skin. Since the skin is a major organ of elimination, certain alteratives target skin health by promoting detoxification through sweat or addressing underlying imbalances. Nettles and calendula are commonly used for this purpose. Herbs for general nourishment. In addition to clearing toxins, some alteratives provide essential nutrients to rebuild and strengthen the body. Herbs like nettle and alfalfa fall into this category, offering vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Safe use of alteratives. While alteratives are powerful tools for promoting health, they should be used thoughtfully. Overuse or improper selection can lead to unintended effects, such as excessive dryness or depletion. Additionally, stimulant alteratives, when taken long-term, can become habit-forming. Combining alteratives with nourishing herbs can create a balanced approach, ensuring both detoxification and restoration. Additionally, it is essential to consider the individual's overall constitution and health conditions. Consulting with a knowledgeable practitioner or conducting thorough research can help ensure that the chosen alterative aligns with the person's specific needs. Alteratives offer a natural and effective means of supporting the body's detoxification processes and restoring balance. By addressing stagnation, enhancing elimination, and promoting nutrient assimilation, these herbs play a crucial role in holistic health practices. When used with care and intention, alteratives can help individuals achieve a renewed sense of vitality and well-being, making them invaluable allies in the journey toward optimal health.